morning to all of you.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
So in the last class, we could see that my Mayday calls were not heard by anybody, and I don't have any wonder, because I know in such a climate, nobody would be there nearby. And later, I could realize that there is a leak, and through which water is coming into the ship. And the leak was below the water level. And they could realize that with this ship, it was very difficult to reach Australia. The second phase of their voyage is from Cape Town to Australia. They have to cover the Indian Ocean, Southern Indian Ocean. So, in between, they want to halt. And in the midst of the sea, the anchor will not go down. Anchor is practical at the sea coastal areas. Otherwise, it will not catch the soil. So, they wanted to anchor the ship or the boat, wave walker, somewhere else, and to make necessary repair to the ship. Then only they would be able to move to Australia. We had survived for 15 hours. How can we, so what is the time now? Alantina, you can write there. What is, let me ask mathematics students, what is the time now? We have survived 15 hours. What time is it now? Any mathematics students? They will get a chocolate. What is the time now, Chabri?
From when?
You can show with your finger. If it is possible with the 10 number, it is possible. Otherwise, you can do like this. 50, if it is 15, 10, 15. I can understand. What is the time now? Mary? Aditya Dev. Mathematics I am asking, man. Simple mathematics. Multiplication, subtraction, addition. Then one more is there. What is that, Niranjan? Multiplication, subtraction, addition, and division. I am very poor in mathematics. I don't know mathematics. I want to learn from you people. Okay. Only these three things. This is what is called which part of mathematics? Logarithm. Oh, not logarithm, man. It is arithmetic, not logarithm. People are thinking about the import. He wants to make me fool, isn't it? You are weak in mathematics. He wants to prove that Joseph is very weak in. I was very brilliant, not now, because always I get 0 in mathematics. So only brilliant people can get 0 in mathematics. Otherwise, you will get 1 or 2, 3 marks, isn't it? Brilliant people can always get 0 marks. So I am brilliant in mathematics. Okay. Arithmetic. Let us come to the point. What is the time now? Anyone? You put the message, keep on our finger or send the message. Niranjan. Otherwise, I will go to some biology students. It is a shame for the mathematics students. Devi Krishna, can you give me a fashionable number? A fashionable number? Anyone? My dear fellows, please open the videos. John Philip, do you have any idea? I think it is 9 o'clock in the morning. How did I calculate? The storm began at 6 p.m. yesterday. You see the page number. You have to read the textbook. You see, page number 14, fourth paragraph, second line. The storm began at 6 p.m. After 12 hours, it is 6 a.m. After 15 hours, it is 9 a.m. Gaya? Simple mathematics, I am saying, simple math. People think that in literature, what is the need of mathematics? You see, literature is the only subject where the whole world comes to a conference. International conference is conducted in English literature. Do you understand, Gaya? International conference is conducted in English literature. Mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, sociology, anthropology, fashion, psychology, everything will be a matter of literature. Without English literature, this subject has no existence. If the physics has to write a definition, what do you want? My English is needed. If you want to draw a triangle and name the triangle, what are you using? ABC. What is the baseline? What is the right angle triangle? ABC. 90 degree. If you go for MBA students, commerce students, MBA students, if you go for business, in advertisement, what are you using it? Literature. English literature is the key. Yesterday we studied key, the backbone of all the subjects. Without this, you cannot survive. All these terms are there in the lesson. Survival of the fittest. Charles Darwin, do you remember? Charles Darwin said, survival of the fittest is the key term of theory of survival of the fittest is the key term in the theory of, anybody biology students? Theory of evolution. Theory of evolution. Okay. Now let us come here. So now, after 15 hours of survival of the fittest, they want to become the survival of the fittest. Survival, what happened? We have survived 15 hours since the wave hit yesterday at 6 p.m. But wave walker would not hold together long enough for us to reach Australia. It was very difficult to go to Australia without necessary repair. I checked our charts. I went to the chart room where all the charts, maps and everything was exhibited. I checked our charts and calculated that there were 2 small islands, and in the map I could note 2 small islands, underline, 2 small islands a few hundred kilometers to the east. According to the map, if we travel towards the east a few hundred kilometers, what did they write? A few. I told you in the last day. A little water. What is the meaning little water? Almost no water. So it is written there, a few kilometers. Sometimes what happens is that, everything you can note it. When I give you summary writing, write summary in 80 words. Summary in 80 words. So I could see, today I think it is the day of Gaya. Gaya is coming to my. So Gaya, what we will do? Gaya wrote a summary in 18 words. But afterwards she counted. It is 86 words. So question is of 80 words. So what will you cut? Gaia will cut all the articles, and all the articles first she will cut. It is not necessary. Am I right? Because 6 words, 6 articles, if you cut 80 words is okay. What you will do? You make a kakapulli there. Kakapulli means beauty spots. Beauty spots. And when the teacher looks at the paper, all these beauty spots will be in the eye, in front of the eyes. Your writing will not be seen. You might have done it in the past. Nowadays, you people are very brilliant, so you may not be doing it. So, in front of our eyes, there is no value for articles. When and where you can cut the articles. When you act with, you have to cut with a purpose. If you cut article A from few, what will happen? Your account will be 0. You see here, 2 small islands, few hundred kilometers away means 0 kilometers. If you use the term few, you see, very important grammar it is there. Very often people make mistakes also. So, very important grammar it is here. Just I give you a glance to that. Just I give you a glance. Please look into that. You see, very often we use the word little. We use the word few. See, if you use the word little alone, or if you use the word few alone, its meaning is nil. No or nil. I want little water to drink. What do you mean by, give me little water to drink? Shabri, if you are asking me, Joshi sir, give me little water to drink, what will happen? You will stand there, I also will stand there. That means little water means no water. No water. If you want water to drink, then you have to ask me, Joshi sir, give me a little water to drink. That means some water. A little water. You have to use a little water. In the same way, if you say you are going to the market after the lockdown is removed and people are there in the market, and you could see a lot of people in the market, and you came and told Mummy, today I could see few people in the market. You meant some people, isn't it? You meant some people. The grammatical meaning, Mummy, I saw few people in the market, meaning I found no people in the market. Clear now? If you want to get the meaning some, you have to say a few. Clear now? So that is why it is here written, there were 2 islands, a few 100 kilometers, maybe 100 or 200 or 150, 150 or 300. A few 100 kilometers far away, 2 islands were there. They could note it in the map. One of them, Isle Amsterdam, Island Amsterdam, name, underline, was a French scientific base, a French dominated island, which is Isle Amsterdam. Our only hope was to reach these pinpricks in the vast ocean. There is no need of underline, it is already highlighted. Pinpricks in the vast island. You see, what is the meaning? Pinpricks. You see, this is Indian Ocean. In the Indian Ocean, there is a dot. Dot just like the head of the ball pin. Pinprick. If you make a hole with a ball pin, how much it will be? And compare the vast area of Indian Ocean and the area of this small hole, mathematics. Area of a circle. Revision for mathematics I am giving you. Area of a circle, Indian Ocean. Area of a hole, compare. Pinpricks. That means a dot. Mathematics comes here. Even whether it is applied mathematics or pure mathematics, mathematics is coming here. You can work out. Today's homework. The radius of Indian Ocean is 100 kilometers. And the radius of Isle Amsterdam is 1 centimeter. Find the difference. Mathematics. I can find out this answer. So if you send me the answer also, I can check it whether it is right or wrong. Niranjan, don't try to teach Joshi sir mathematics. I know this geometry also. Okay, geometry also. Okay. Okay. Here, okay, let us see. So it is a homework for you, self-homework. Don't send to me. Okay. So our only hope was to reach these pinpricks, to reach these small islands, so that they can take rest and they could do necessary repair to their ship. Clear now? Okay. I told very simply, okay, don't take it serious, okay. But unless the wind and the seas abated means to come to an end. So we could hoist sail. Our chances would be slim indeed. You see, they wanted to reach Isle Amsterdam. But in order to reach Amsterdam, what the first thing, the wind must be stopped. The storm must be stopped. Then they have to open the sail. Then only they will be able to direct the ship into their estimated direction. So, but unless the wind and seas abated, so we could hoist sail, our chances would be slim indeed. But our chances would be slim means chances are very less. The great wave had put our auxiliary engine, spare engine, auxiliary. Now in auxiliary engine means, have you studied something auxiliary? What is there? What did you study? Auxiliary? Anything?
Auxiliary verb.
Anything related to auxiliary? Can you tell me? You text it. Only 4 or 5 words. You can text it. Anything related to auxiliary? Emily, anything related to auxiliary? Auxiliary verb. Okay, thank you. Auxiliary verb. Spare verb. A spare verb that is used to make a tense form. We are using to make a tense form, supporting verb. So here, it is a supporting engine, spare engine. When the main verb is going wrong, the supporting engine, supporting verb will come and help. So when the main engine is going They pumped the water continuously. Now we had only to keep pace with the water still coming in. Now they have to remove the water that was coming. The collected water, everything was removed. We could not set any sail on the mast. They could not tie the sail on the mast. Pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the hull part. You see, please switch on the videos. Why they couldn't, please, all the boards are black. Why they couldn't tie the sail on the mast? What is the reason? Because the ship had got some damage. And if they tie the sail, what will happen? A lot of friction will be there. Physics is coming here. A lot of friction will be there. Wind will blow on the sail, and what will happen? Friction will be there. That friction may create more damage to the ship, because some areas it is broken. So when the friction comes, the damage will be more. That is why they were unable to tie the sail. Because it's the rigging. Rigging here means the tying of the rope. The rigging may damage. Rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the hull part. So we hoisted the storm jib. So there will be lesser friction. Storm jib I had already explained. They tied the storm jib. Even though there was no storm, they tied the storm jib and headed for where I thought 2 islands were. So he guided the ship to a wave walker towards the calculated islands. Mary found some corned beef and cracker biscuits, and we ate our first meal in almost 2 days. So they got some relief. The storm was entered, but the ship was in breakage. So still they enjoyed some peace. So Mary prepared some breakfast or food, and they enjoyed the food. Please, my dear students, please switch on the videos. Agna, Anaka, Renil, please switch on the videos. 5 lines are blank here. Nimida, Sarah, switch on. But our respite was short-lived. Respite means short period, a rest for short period, a nap, or siesta. Typical word is called siesta, S-I-E-S-T-A, siesta. Siesta means a short or a brief rest time. After lunch, all are taking siesta, then getting late to next class. Am I right, Sarah? Your siesta becomes a longer sleep. Siesta means 15-20 minutes simply lying down there. If we permit you to lie down 10 minutes, you will sleep for 1 hour. So here you see, but our respite was short-lived. At 4 p.m., black clouds began building up behind us. Again, we could see black clouds at the back. Within the hour, the wind was back to 40 knots. Within the hour, the wind was back to 40 knots, 40 nautical mile. That is a measurement, nautical mile for in the sea route. The wind was back to 40 knots and the seas were getting higher. Waves were getting higher. The weather continued to deteriorate. Here, weather continued to deteriorate means the weather became rough. The weather became rough. The weather became deteriorate throughout the night. The whole night, the weather was rough. And by dawn, by morning, on January 5, our situation was again desperate. So the respite was ominous. Ominous respite. Understood? Ominous silence. Now we use the term here, ominous respite. Our rest was a signal before the attack. Our respite was short-lived. And we could see gigantic waves. We could see huge black clouds. The weather continued, and by dawn, January 5, our situation was again desperate. When I went in, when I entered the lower deck, when I entered the cabin where the children were, I went there to comfort them, to console them, to pacify them. All the same meaning. To comfort, to console, consolation, console, to pacify. Very often we learn this term, pacify, P-A-C-I-F-I, pacify, to make cool and calm, to make them cool down. All these are same meanings, all synonyms. Synonyms. So, I went down to comfort my children. John asked, Daddy, are we going to die? Children are asking, Daddy, are we going to die? Shall we do a last prayer before the death? Children are asking to their father, shall we say the last prayer before the death? Are we going to die? I tried to assure him that we could make it. I made him understand that we have overcome the difficult situation. But he went on. He continued. Though we are going to die, this sentence you have to learn by heart. We are afraid of dying if we can all be together. It has another connotation. Daddy, if we all are going to die, no problem. You see? If we all are going to die together, no problem. But suppose you three are dying and I am saved, that is a problem for me, isn't it? Clear now? Father, mother, sister died, and the young 6-year-old boy is surviving. It is a problem. You can read in this way also. You can twist the literature in this way also. But the child here says a positive note. What is that? We aren't afraid of dying if we can all be together. If we tried together, if we stand together, if we are united to win the battle. What is the battle here? Roughsy. If we are standing together, if we are working together, if we are trying together in a single mind, unity, to stand against the rough sea, and we get failed and we die, no problem. We are proud of it. After fighting against the enemy and getting a bullet and lost his life, the soldier is with great pride, isn't it? I fought and died. Seeing the enemy, the soldier is running back and he got a bullet at his back and he died. Nobody will appreciate him. So we can go to a different level of meaning in this from each and every line comes into on. Do you follow me? This is the way we have to understand the literature. Always I say, then only your thinking capacity will be different. It will be different. It will go to new horizons of thinking, new limits of thinking. It may go to space also. What do you think that only 100 kilometers or 160 kilometers there is air? So how can I go after 160? I shall drop my travel by 100 kilometers, so safely I can go and come back. Last month, some Americans went to space within how many minutes? They went, 1 hour or something. They went and came back. Have you read it? Some few people went to space with their rocket. They went, touched the space and came back. We should have that mind, challenging mind. You should learn from Neeraj Chopra, isn't it? Neeraj Chopra. The whole paper is with Neeraj Chopra. Ni Raja in Malayalam Manorama. I read Ni Raja. Neeraj, it is turned into Ni Raja. Yes, he is the king, kingmaker. And did you watch his face? Very seldom I watch these kind of things, but I came to know India is expecting a medal in sports, athletics. Then I watched him. By that time it was live. I could see after his throw, he was very confident. How blooming was his face. Did you notice it? That is Ne Raja. You are the king. You are the king. It is not a promotion for a person. It is not an advertisement, but just just to have a note of it. Just to have a note of it. So the thing is that we are not afraid of dying if we are working together. Working together. You and Mummy, Sue and I. The whole family. You can underline that, you can learn by heart. Suppose it is a corona time, even though, what I mean, lockdown is removed, all the shops are open, everything is going. Still, there is a financial crisis in everybody's life. Everybody's life. So sometimes our parents may be troubled with some financial crisis. So their faces will show that crisis at that time. What you should say, you go to father and touch his shoulder and say, Daddy, don't be afraid. We aren't afraid of anything. If we stand together, Daddy, don't worry. We are with you. Can you tell like that, Adina? If a child goes and tells his or her father like this from the bottom of the heart, that will be a great soothing word for the parent. Even my child understands my situation. She or he realizes it. How blessed I am. He will think in his heart. Each and everyone should take this care. Don't by heart the sentence and go and tell, Daddy, you are writing the sentence on a paper. You see difference, you write the sentence on a paper and keep it on in the palm and say, Daddy, we aren't afraid of dying. We all together stand together. It will not create any effect. By-hearted sentences, no. The words from the heart will be soothing words. Soothing words. We should be a part and parcel of the family. We should feel like that. We should feel like that. You should feel the pangs of your parents, the pain of the heart. That is called the pangs. You should also enjoy with them the joy of the family. These are the messages that we take it from this one sentence. How much time we have spent on that? Okay, so I could find no words with which to respond. I didn't have any words to respond. But I left the children's cabin determined to fight the sea with everything I had to. So hearing the word, he decided, not decided, he determined. What is the determination? At any cost, even at the loss of my life, I will save my children. You see? The great confidence, the great promotion that the parent got from a single sentence of the child. He decided, not decided, but determined, underline, determined, at any cost. If I am alive, I will save my children. The rest we will see in the next class whether this determination came true or not. Okay, don't read the textbook. Because if I said read the textbook, I know you won't read the textbook. So it is better to make you obedient. Don't read the textbook. So you will become obedient. Am I right? Now if I say read the textbook and if you don't read the textbook, it is disobedience. Anlisa, it is disobedience. So, in order to make my children obedient, I should say, don't read the book further. Okay. Okay now. Sarah is very happy. Sarah is very happy. Oh, sir, I got a holiday. Okay, thank you.